The Ford government's long-term care plan is facing yet another challenge in court as advocates try to put a halt to the expansion of a care home in Pickering that has a dubious pandemic record. Our Erica Natividad joins us now. And Erica, this is an emotional experience for some of those leading this push.
It certainly is, Cynthia. This legal challenge being brought forward by a daughter of one of the Orchard Villa residents who died of COVID-19, as well as the Ontario Health Coalition, and arguments for this one-day hearing wrapped up just a couple of hours ago.
I think we have a really strong case, and I think it was really well put out in the hearing.
A panel of judges hearing arguments today over the future of Orchard Villa in Pickering. The Ford government had approved an 88-bed expansion and a new 30-year license for the home owned by Southbridge. But the Ontario Health Coalition wants that approval quashed because of the home's history of poor care. Kathy Park's father died of COVID-19 in April 2020 while in the care of Orchard Villa.
I can say that since my father's death, I've had strangers, friends, and family approach me panicked, asking what to do as their loved one has to go into a home. And I can't fathom that for somebody else. So I am the public interest in this. I am a representative of that. And I think that the family members have been so hurt and so tragically touched by this that we all have an interest in seeing this license not be given.
During the first wave of the pandemic, 206 of the home's 233 residents contracted COVID-19 and more than 70 died. The condition so dire that it became one of the homes that the province sent the Canadian military in to assist. In a later report, the military describing it as one of the homes with alarming conditions, including infestations of cockroaches and flies. Lawyers for the province arguing today that the legal challenge is a premature one, saying Southbridge has not actually been issued a license, but an undertaking. Southbridge, it says, must meet the conditions outlined in the undertaking in order to be granted the license. But the license won't be granted until the building is actually constructed, to the tune of hundreds of millions of dollars of public and private money.
If we waited till the license was issued, they would say, why did they wait till this late date? It's too late to turn around then, and this building would be built, and then we'd be in that situation of trying to undo it.
The province's attorneys say if Southbridge fails to meet the requirements for a license, the building would then become an asset that can be sold or leased to another party that could. Now, the province did also put forward a motion to strike an affidavit from an expert witness, Dr. Pat Armstrong, from this case, essentially arguing that she is not qualified to provide evidence here. But now begins the waiting game. Essentially, the judges, all three of them, have heard all of the issues presented in this case, and a decision will come at a later date. As for how soon that could be, it could be weeks or months from now. At Osgoode Hall, Erica Natividad, City News.